My name is Zeph Delat. I am in Kines 205 Section 1, and today we'll be going over how to add a Google Meet into your Google Calendar and be able to share it amongst other people. So first things is, let's say we want to schedule a Google meeting on Friday the 10th. So we go ahead and click on the date, and then here we're going to click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. And to make it easier, we'll go to More Options, and we'll title it just Meeting. And it won't be an all-day meeting, so like we said, on the 10th, and let's say it's going to go from 10 to 11 a.m., so it'll last an hour. And here is where you can also add your guests. So I'll add myself to make it easier. And go ahead and click enter, and you can add as many guests as you need into your meeting. You can also add a description and whatnot, a location if it's needed. And here you could also click, which would bring you to the Google Meet straight away, but we will not be using that. So once you have set everything, added all your guests, and if you needed your location, your description, whatnot, your times, you go ahead and click save. And also, when doing this, you can go ahead and set it weekly or monthly on the second Friday. They have multiple options, but let's say we have a meeting every week on Friday, so we'll click on weekly on Friday. And for the sake of this, we will not be sending it because I used my own email as my guest. And as you can see here, from the 10th on, we have a 10 a.m. meeting each day. So, and like I said, as we click send, it would have invited all of our guests and whatnot. And say the meeting comes up, go ahead and click on the 10 a.m. meeting and go ahead and join with Google Meet. And that'll bring you straight to your meeting, as you can join now and whatnot. And so yeah, that is pretty much it.